ate.
Kinsa nagbay?
See? Shall we remove your shoes? Show me how to remove your shoes though.
Wow.
You can sit down, sit down.
Squat.
Wow, very good. Hi, Marcos. Come, Marcos. Wow, now, Amelia.
Pwede po Mia.
Mia.
Oh.
Mia, can you put it here? Inside. Put it inside, please. Wow, very good. Shall we look what's inside your bag? Okay, tara na doon sa nasa mong bag, okay? Tara na doon sa mong bag, okay? Di ba tanong na si mong bag?
Naadiri ay ang water og baon, ma'am. Naadiri.
Wow! Okay, mama. Ay, hindi na natin siya yung piputan.
Mga extra, ano na.
Naano siya yung t-shirt. Okay, close na natin yung bag. Close it. Yes. Very good. Can you get that one? Please? Okay. Wait.
Wait lang. You listen to Ate Jade.
Wow. Is this your water bottle? Yes. Okay. Can you put it there? Inside here?
Murag nabilin ang iyang, ano, kani.
Ay, okay. Ako lang siya i-attach mo. Here. Can you put
Thank
this
you.
one there?
Ay, wow. Very good, Mia.
Okay, now, we will sanitize. Di mo siya allergic.
Dili.
The other
Naanad na siya.
Oh, okay.
Rab.
Very good rubbing. That's Ate Shara. Okay, that's Ate Shara.
Hello.
Now, shall we put this one inside your locker? Excited na ka mag-play sa sunod? Oh, okay. It's by
Yay!
your locker. Asa na si Amelia?
Look for your face.
Look for your face.
Look for your face, Mia. Go. Is that you?
Is that you? You know, I have. You open the face. Open.
Very good, Mia.